Bonafide Hustler here, and it is just a normal day. It's actually a Monday here in Austin, Texas. It's kind of hot outside. I'm gonna show you guys what I found last weekend. I'm also gonna show you guys what Emerson found last weekend, and then we're gonna open up the video with something interesting. What's going on, guys? Chris the Bonafide Hustler coming to you live from the outside of E-Money's house, and today we are going to deliver a lockers to a person that wants them, right? So she paid for them yesterday, and she offered, you know, for an extra 50 bucks if we could take them to a place that I think is like 10 or 15 minutes away. And since we got a truck right here, I think we're gonna do it. Now, originally we wanted to put these lockers into my antique booth, but we decided to list them on Facebook Marketplace, OfferUp, and Craigslist. About 3 weeks later, they have sold. So yeah, now it's time to get it down to her. She paid 150 bucks for these lockers. I think the lockers were somewhere around the vicinity of like 60 or 70 bucks, something like that. So she pays 150, offers an extra 50 bucks for us to take it down there. So we're gonna definitely do it. I found some cool stuff last weekend at garage sales. I totally wanna show you guys that, but let's get these lockers in the truck and let's get going. E-Money, we gonna make some extra money?
Yeah.
Are you interested in that?
Mm-hmm.
What are you doing right now?
Getting rid of the bike rack.
All right, so we can lay these things down. Should be good to go in here in a second. How heavy are these lockers?
Oh man, 100 pounds maybe.
Okay. Did you take your did you take your creatine?
I did.
Okay, good.
I actually had 5 grams.
Okay, cool. I didn't take my creatine. I don't know if I can lift this, Emerson. Yay! Modular truck stuff, yay! Oh, didn't I get you these out of a garage sale? These awesome.
Those are awesome.
Holy crap, look how cool these things are. I found them at a garage sale. I give Emerson's a pair, and I have a pair too somewhere in my house. Okay, we ready to do this, E-Money?
Let's move that first.
Okay. Yay, yay, modular truck stuff. Yay, modular truck stuff. We're on our way to drop off these lockers. When I get home, if I have some time, I'm gonna put a label on this, but I had a really good sale yesterday. 90 bucks, this thing sold for 90 bucks. Some K2 Masis, right? Snowboard boots, look at that. With a BOA lace system, like it's not even focusing, but anyways. So it has BOA lace system. Yeah, they were in great condition. I think I popped on it for 2 or 3 bucks at a garage sale. Sold for $89.99. Guys, the shoes to bucks is legit, I'm telling you. But anyways, the guy's not out, so. E-Money, are shoes good? Do you ever sell shoes?
All the time.
Yeah, exactly. Shoes are awesome, man. All right, we've arrived and we're gonna deposit this thing.
They've got these things on.
She gave us 45 to deliver, whatever. She's like, do you have 5 bucks? Okay, here, and I gave it to her and she gave it a 50. She's like, all right, she had 45. Do you have 5 bucks? She went like this and just gave me everything. I can't make it up. I kind of got ripped off a little bit.
Not really, it was still worth it.
It was still worth it, okay, yes. But, so here's what went down.
Here, put your button on.
Oh my God, I can't believe it. We got ripped off by 5 bucks, basically. Up there, she goes, "Thank you for bringing this. I had to rent. I would have had to rent a U-Haul and all this stuff. So thank you for bringing it." We're like, "That's cool." And she goes, "Do you have 5 bucks by chance?" And I was like, "Yeah." So I pull out 5 bucks and I give it to her. She puts it in her hands and she goes, "There, it's 50." And then she gave it back to me. So she basically had $45 in her hand. She asked for my $5, then gave it back to me. I got ripped off, man. Oh. I'm kind of like E-Money in this situation. He's like, whatever, it was still worth it, it was awesome. Who thinks like that?
That story is worth 5
I got
bucks.
super ripped off. I got ripped off. I got so gypped. Super bad.
Oh my gosh, you can't make that up. That's so funny.
Man, that's like a whole tank for a Prius right there, 5 bucks. Right? E-Money has proposed now that we go to the Lakeway Goodwill, which is 5 minutes down the road, but the sacrifice is we could get caught in some serious traffic going back. But anyways, we're gonna give it a shot and check it out. So come along with us on the ride, and we're gonna take you with us regardless. I still can't believe I got ripped off, man. This is so bad. That is the first that has ever happened to me on any sort of like local deal. For someone to ask for my money and then pay me with my money too. I'm like, what? Oh, it's so messed up. I should have said something, but honestly, it's like, fine, dude, I got bigger things to worry about in my life. But I'm still worrying about it though, I don't know why. Dude, that's awesome. That's a really nice one. I don't usually like those, but man, that's a really well done one. I bet you that guy didn't get ripped off today. All right, we're at the Goodwill. I didn't even bring my wallet today because I didn't think we were gonna go anywhere. But I do have cash though. So I don't ever buy stuff in cash unless it's a garage sale. It's kind of weird paying for something in cash. Bags to bucks. Oh, High Sierra. It's a little leather bag right here, nothing crazy. It's not a good one. You got a gym bag with a lock on it. That's what you gotta do. You know, usually when something is really worth money in a bag section, it pops at you really quickly. Look at all those shoes. What the hell is this? Oh, some cool grip fast. I've sold grip fast before. It's pretty interesting. $12.99. Gonna look them up. All right, didn't find anything there. Passed on those grip fast shoes, but on our way home, we're gonna ditch traffic. I'm gonna show you our garage sale finds here in 1 second. Hurry, E-Money, before we get ripped off in Lakeway. All right, so we're back at E-Money's house. Made it back. I'm feeling slightly better after getting ripped off. Let's go show you your garage sale finds. Come on. Oh yeah, we got this bike right here. So how much was this thing? Like 20 bucks?
This with the other one?
Yeah.
What, 30, I believe?
Okay, so we didn't spend very much for this thing. All right, so that's probably a $50 bike right there. What else? Oh yeah, dog crate, right?
Yes.
You already sold one, right?
Sold one.
Cool. How much did you pay for both dog crates?
25 bucks.
And you sold one for how much?
60.
Dang, that's crazy. You got another one left to go. Cool. That's awesome. So yeah, look into dog crates, guys. Local game always. What else? Come on, E-Money. Crib tour. Crib tour. Cribs. Cribs. Yeah, this is actually a really good find right here. All right, so this is a Logitech Ultrathin touch mouse. Really nice looking mouse, actually.
Bluetooth mouse.
Yep, Bluetooth mouse. So how much you pay for this?
8 bucks.
And how much are you gonna sell it for?
About 75.
FBA, super low rank, right?
Like 422.
Okay, so that rank is really low. That's a good rank right there if you deal with FBA. What else we got? Crib tour, crib tour! E-Money cribs!
Trying to see.
Oh, we got an old door. Cool.
It's in here.
No, the bat's right there. I see the bat.
No, that's the other bat.
Oh, that's the other bat. All right, we have a bat. Wow, look at all these hustles, dude. All right, so we got this, how much? 20? 30? 25.
25.
25. A C500, dang.
Yeah.
New C500. On eBay, how much are they going to sell for? Around 180? 150?
I don't know, but it's listed.
Okay, so it's over 150 though, right?
I have it listed for 290.
Oh God. Wow.
Yeah.
That looks good, man. He got all kinds of bats. Bats do have good resale. So he's got bats, he's got all kinds of Super Nintendo stuff, gloves sell for good money, rackets sell for good money, Hoka 1-1 shoes. Shoes to bucks, man, gosh. CrossFit shoes, I see the CrossFit high tops right there. Those are some Nimbus, right? Are those Kayanos or Nimbus?
Kayano 20s.
Yeah, nice. So shoes to bucks up there, shoes to bucks here. Dude, you found some CrossFit lifters?
Yeah.
What the hell is this?
Yeah.
Dude, these are sick.
13s though.
Are they listed?
Yeah.
Those are amazing.
Of course.
You should sell this. This should probably give you about 80 bucks or more.
Everything in here is listed.
Wow.
Everything.
See, I pre-box all my stuff. E-Money doesn't do that kind of stuff. Whoa. Oh, some Scarpas. Damn. He's got a lot of good stuff from my shoe guide. He hasn't even seen the shoe guide yet.
Scarpins.
He's got all kinds of high quality shoes. So you got the bat. I know you got the bat. What else? Man, you got, look at all these FBA things going to go out to FBA right there. Those things. This is his little shoot station. He's got all kinds of good stuff here.
This thing. Okay.
Whoa.
Look at that.
What is that? This is super awesome. Oh my gosh. This is almost like crossbows and catapults looking thing.
Look at how fast
They're spring loaded, right?
Yeah. Here, watch out.
All right. Okay. Yeah. Well, that's cool.
Yeah, it's pretty
This
quick.
is like crossbows and catapults from back in the day. We should totally play this one day.
Yeah.
This is
Yeah, a
awesome.
bunch of those things. Actually, two.
How much do these resell for good money? I've never seen this game before.
Yeah.
So it's a pressman game. Pretty cool. That's interesting. It's got a Colt A1 right here. It's a little staple camera that you can sell on eBay right there.
Shoes to bucks.
Nice. Some shoes to bucks. Oh man. Oh, I literally just completed the section for these like 3 weeks ago. That's cool. These are really nice condition. Gosh, you find some good stuff, E-Money. All right, we gotta get out of here. Oh, he's got some, he has a Chilton manual. I see the Chilton manual. Anyways, E-Money's got some really good high quality goods. Anything else from the garage sale? No, right?
No, that's it.
Oh yeah, we got some bikes. I mean, the bikes are really awesome, so. All right, so we're gonna go to my house and I'll show you my finds here in 1 second. All right, so the first find that I got was sitting in here, these old, I don't know if they're antique doors. I'm pretty sure these are antique doors. They're extremely heavy. I mean, the wood on this thing is almost like ship wood. Anyways, so they're really, I don't know what this really goes to, but these were, I think, $10 at a garage sale. And they go all the way to the back. They're pretty big. They're very heavy. So this is kind of where they were placed in my car when we bought them, and I haven't taken them out because I want to put an antique booth tag on there and stick them in the booth for around 100 plus. So that's the first find, all right? And then I'll show you the rest of the stuff in the garage here in 1 second. All right, the rest of the stuff that I got is sitting right here. Hopefully you guys can see me. These are the rest of the finds right here. This was found, I think, Sunday as I was going downtown and, you know, biking around town with my wife. There's some Samuel Hubbard shoes. They were $19.99. They should sell for around $90 to $100 right here. What else did I get? Mario Strikers was like $1 at a garage sale. This will give me about 10 on FBA, and it's in perfect condition. I got 4 DVDs that I wanted to see. I don't think I've seen these movies, any of them, and I really wanted to see them, so you can tell me if these are any good. You can kind of, don't give me any spoilers, but you can let me know if they're any good. Ghost in the Shell, I wanted to see it, never seen it. It's never on Amazon Prime, it's never on Netflix, it seems. The Man from U.N.C.L.E., I've never seen it, I want to see it. Looks pretty cool. I've never seen this, and I've heard a lot of weird things about this movie, like it's not good, it sucks, or like it's kind of weird. It's called Gravity, so everyone's heard of this. I've never seen it. I kind of want to see it. There's that, and then this other one, Sherlock Holmes: A Game of Shadows, which is the second one, which I know I liked the first one a lot. It was so much fun and really good movie, so I want to see the second one. So no spoilers, but let me know if any of these movies are good. All right, what else did I get? An Alvita, an Omron Alvita Ultimate Pedometer right here. Pedometers are really good things to send into Amazon FBA. Just scan the code. This one had a relatively decent rank, and it will sell for around $24. I believe I was into this for $1, if I'm not mistaken. So there's that. I got these for $5. These are Nike Lunarlon golf shoes, wingtip, really good condition. So some shoes to bucks right here. These should sell for around $45 to $50. No problems. For $1 a piece, these are going to go downhill on a track when I'm in Colorado, when I go to Telluride to go downhilling, mountain biking. So 2 Anon goggles right here. Ordinarily, I would not try to buy this for profit, but supplement your lifestyle with awesome stuff that you find from garage sales. Trust me, it's so amazing. All right, so those are gonna go to Telluride, Colorado with me. Here, I got this shirt. I think the shirt was like $5. Do you guys see what the shirt says? So see if you know what movie this comes from. I won't spoil it, but see if you know that right there. All right, I also got this Brother P-Touch Edge, which is kind of like this really awesome looking like label maker. This thing was $10. It should sell for over $50 on eBay, although the velocity is not very good, so it might take a month or 2 to sell it. I also got 2 Tiger laser tag guns, so they're in perfect condition. They look awesome. Great for cosplay kind of stuff as well, but more than likely the person that's going to buy this is actually going to use them, and they should bring in around $70 plus. I paid $5 for both of these. Last, this is kind of comical, but these were free. 2006 Dom Perignon bottles that are opened. They were consumed, but the bottles, I just took them because I could probably sell them for around $30 on eBay for 4 of them. That's how many I have. But outside of that, I could put this in my booth for maybe $10 a bottle and sell them there at my booth. So there is the Dom Perignon bottles. Oh, we're drinking. I know, someone drank the cheddar already, but it's all good. So those are the finds from my garage sale weekend. This is pretty much where the video ends, and I wanted to thank you guys for tuning in, watching this whole stupid day go down. And I say it's stupid now in retrospect because I did get ripped off and that sucked, even though it's a little bit of money, but it still sucks. But I want to thank you guys for coming here and watching the video, seeing some finds, and having some fun with us. So if you like stuff like this, hit the like button. I'll see you on the next Bonafide Hustler ride along. Take it easy. Goodbye!